gotta go, Orphan.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan
No.
has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin, Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin,
they might have-
southwestern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin until 2:30 p.m.
I'm gonna go back
At
inside.
1:25 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Dodgeville to near Woodbine, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour with gusts at
I'm
quarter-size
going
hail.
inside.
Source, trained weather spotters.
Train weather squad, it's
These
okay.
storms have a history of producing wind damage and power outages.
No, that's bad.
Impact, hail
I'm gonna
damage
give
to
it some
the
motivation 92. Look at Sunday.
and out. Mineral Point, Madison, Fitchburg, Middleton, Wanakee, Shorewood Hills, Brooklyn, Black Earth, Broadhead, Mineral. This includes the following locations: York Memorial Church, Wisconsin State Capitol, and Hives Mill. For your protection, this includes the following: Bravo Building.
Where is this gonna be? Yeah, please let me don't have it too. I don't want to scream.
The National Weather